Okay, same different tunes. So, yes, you get a little yellow marker ring, my friend. No, not yellow, orange. I feel sorry for any of them boys standing down at fucking Great of the Night without a brolly. It is humping it down here. Oh, that's too big for you, darling. You two eat all that. You just have a little smarty. I love them all. 5, 9, 7, 3, 6. Look at the fucking size of that. Beautiful. Come on, darling. Let's get you home. They are as excited as fucking here. They're going, ooh, what's this? What is rain? Wind? What? They're going to be happy here, boys and girls. V90568. Welcome to the gang, Squirrely. Oh, you're gonna fit in here just fine. We thrive on a bit of madness up here, you know, darling. This isn't deep south. This is hillbilly country. We embrace a bit of madness up here, darling. I think these people are watching this video. As you would imagine, Mr. Yearling's straight onto the tall perch. Now show them where the grit is, show them where the coon is, and show them where the young bird feed is. Thank you. Oh yeah, there's Mr. Post I would fill them. I made a great big long and winded, like 4 or 5 minutes last 3 days building up poster boy to go to Maidstone until I fucking balled it. He's down there on his, I'm going, you just help us help some salt today, son, that's fine. I even gave him a bath yesterday. I fucking kid you not. I might just load that on its own. Okay. Nope, couldn't leave it alone. Here's my boy. He's been out for another bath. Retired for the year. Now can you see the Emerton in that? Emerton crossed Neil Holt Arden. He was absolutely full in the wing. But I'm not chucking him away just for some fucking East Coast donkey derby run. Well done, son. We'll see you again next year. Pick up the poster boy. Fuck his way back out to keep him more wet. I don't understand pigeons. I don't know why I'm doing this. I was through there preparing my next group of words I was going to use to tell you my next bit. I nearly let it fucking go. I thought it was dead clever. I found out a way to catch the birds out of the big basket. So this is yearling number 2. Woody, woody, woody. On 9804. on a 23 plate. Right, okay, so this is definitely a yearling. And it's still, if I can get this set, it's still uber comfy in a hand, but she's not having it. She'll be out one day, she will. Haven't spoke to Richard yet to work out yearlings as in what have they done, where have they been. If the loft floor, I'll break them in about 6 weeks. Welcome to Tumble Towers, my little darling. You're definitely a hen. You just feel like a hen. Oh, it's just Gaviscon. It's just Gaviscon to settle your tummy after the long journey. Oh, bastards. No, I know. Of all the people to make a dog's dick of it. There we go, a lovely little hen. 98034, we'll see more from her. She's beautiful. I don't know you people are into eyes and all that stuff. I could have turned her head round. I think it's on the 45 degrees, lads, eh? Pause this thing because I am going to have a jiggle this thing. This is just too exciting. I'm a very happy pappy at the minute. Just try to hoodwink one of my YBs actually. I don't know where her egg just went, whether rats have grabbed it and or get shook about the melee, but she had an egg earlier and she hasn't now, but I've just stuck a tuna in her nest to see if she'll sit down. I like my very, very light checkered hen that I quite like as a YB already. Go on, sit down. Sometimes pigeons is rough. There's that fucking checker thing I told you about earlier that I put into the grizzle's nest. The wee white one sitting by the side and the one I gave a tablet earlier on, waiting in line to get fed, and that big checker's emptying the grizzle's crop. It's fucking cruel sometimes, this game. Oh, bless them. Mummy and Daddy are such great parents. They're feeding them both on the floor. There's something to be said for having pets. Anyway, moving on. 59735. Guess what? A little checker. A feisty little fucking checker. These ones are getting sharp and hiding way up the back of the basketball. Let fucking go, you clown. You clawed yourself. Just relax. It's not that painful. Welcome to Tumble Towers. On arrival, you get an orange clip. If you stay here round about the loft for the next year, you get to get an S-box, okay? The key is to try and stay alive. She's alive, she's alive, she's alive. There we go. We've got two to go, I think. Richard, they've no decorum. They're very unruly. Yeah, we won't fuck her about much more. Pop her in the land bank. Woody woo. Still no yellow tops. I have to say this is uber fun. Getting that frame, just having to realise that rats who goes underneath the mesh and looks up at them. What the fuck is that? It's rats up. You'll get used to it, it'll be fine. I tell you, for being 68 weeks old and only 4 hours in that basket, they know exactly how long my arm is. Poor bastards. I had to open the front of the box. Oh, I have shut it. Won't it come? Won't it come? Well, I've not announced your arrival yet, but who are you? You are. I'm keeping you at the camera view so they can't see you at 90548. 90548. 90548. And we got another newbie Scooby Grizzle who's got a big fat crop. These are not. These are not. Oh, look at that. I could just about ring that duff. Swear to God, with a bit of cooking oil, I could probably still squeeze a ring on this. The best bit is going to be the end. You should see how happy they are in their windswept west of Scotland aviary. They are fucking loving it. Come on, you're better behaved than the last one. Grizzle number 2. You got a far tail. Still fit the size of crocker, would fit inside a pint pot. And no yellow top. Ratso, get out of here. There's an introduction and then there's a test. I'll bring the part of deal in. Oh well, I forgot to record the intro for this little beastly, but this is number 10. And it is indeed a yellow top in my loft. I thought the other ones were small. I could put that in my pocket, never mind a fucking pint pot. So I think we should keep an eye on that. I'm not sure that big orange ring's not a bit heavy for it to carry around. Are you going to milk it with that big ring? Yeah, okay. Well, suck it up then. 90546. The best part of my evening is going to be go outside and stand in the fucking piss and rain and film these fuckers from the outside in. We just, that's like a fucking blackbird. You're absolutely sure you've not got worms. Oh, I've got my favourite already. Love a yellow top. 546 going forward with his big ankle bracelet on. And then I'm going to go outside and film from the outside. Don't smoke then. Don't smoke that. Smoke that. See, when you've got plenty, you get a bit lady ass, a bit fell on the floor. 3 months from now, I'll be looking for like, where's the end of where's the end of a cigarette paper? Oh, boss, can all have a kerfuffle here. Let's have a bit more dub. Still birds padding about in that piss and rain. Birds love rain. They love rain, they just don't like flying through it. I can't risk the poster boy going right at one of these storms at the weekend. This is what I'm not going to do. I'm not prepared to make poster boy look at a storm and say, right, I better go right. And he ends up in Edinburgh. I'll never see him again. Chances of coming out of Maidstone in a westerly wind, which could be squally, 2 or 3 nasty squally showers on the way up. Chances of him getting across country, I would say would be questionable. So I'm going to call that, to enter him tonight would be a stupid thing to do. Comments below. Kids are in the land bank. Woody woo. I'll finish rolling this and stop blowing the shit out of you. And then we'll go outside and have a look. Right, I've admired my Highland Dews for long enough. Still pissing down. Let's go and have a look at the land bank from the outside.